Hello my dear family and friends, welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments. Hope you're doing well. Let's begin our show. Rava Laddu, which is a combination of semolina, dry fruits, sugar and ghee, are usually prepared when guests visit and also during the festivals. These Rava Laddus or Sooji Laddus are so aromatic and delicious that they just melt in the mouth and the texture is softy crunch. As the festival Sankranti is round the corner, make these traditional sweet balls with the main ingredient being the semolina. There are different ways to make these Rava Laddus. In this video, I will share one of the variety that my mom makes in her unique style. These Rava Laddus can be stored in a room temperature and have a very good shelf life. The texture of Rava Laddus will vary depending on the different methods used to prepare. A different alternative for vegans is that instead of regular milk can be replaced with coconut milk, which will surely enhance the aroma and taste as well. Now, let's see how to make Rava Laddu in a different style that my mom makes. Usually for Rava Laddu, we roast the semolina, but as this recipe is in a different style, we are not going to roast the semolina, but to a mixing bowl, add 1 cup semolina and half cup milk. Begin to mix by kneading to make a soft dough. After kneading well, you should get a nice smooth dough as shown. Cover with the lid and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, uncover the lid, knead once very well and then make lemon-sized balls. Now heat an iron griddle on low flame. Meanwhile, place a butter paper or parchment paper on the counter surface and smear ghee all around the parchment paper. Now take one of the balls that we prepared out of the dough. Press the dough flat with hand and gently flatten it with fingers. Apply ghee if required in between for easy flattening. Once we have the disc, which is like a roti, that is flattened evenly, then hold the parchment paper and slowly remove the dough disc and place on the hot griddle. Roast the roti on low flame only. After few seconds, smear ghee lightly and flip the roti using a flat ladle. Smear ghee the other side as well and keep frying the roti on both sides till we see light brown spots. Make sure it is fully roasted. Once roasted, take the roti on a plate. Similarly, prepare the remaining rotis and place them to the side. Once we have all rotis fully roasted, let them cool completely. When the rotis are cool, tear the rotis into small pieces and all these small roti pieces will be added to the mixie jar and pulse for 5 rounds. When we pulse, the mixture will be crumbled. Make sure to pulse and not grind to a fine powder at this stage. Just pulse for about 5 rounds. And at this stage, add half cup of dry coconut powder to the crumbled mixture and grind well. Ground mixture should be slightly coarse, but not too coarse. Transfer to a mixing bowl and keep aside. Next, take 1 cup of sugar and add to the same mixie jar that we prepared the coarse mixture and grind to a fine powder. Add or reduce sugar as per your taste. Add the powdered sugar to the ground mixture. Also add 2 teaspoons cardamom powder to the mixture and mix well. Now fry dry fruits and nuts by adding 2 tablespoons of ghee to a hot pan. Add cashew nuts and fry until light golden in color. Then add golden raisins and fry good. Turn off the heat and add ghee roasted cashews and raisins to the rava mix. Mix well and our rava mix is ready to make laddus. With clean hands, take small portion of the mix in the palm and press with fingers to form a round laddu by binding together. If the mixture is little dry and not binding good, then add few tablespoons of ghee and mix. Make sure each rava laddu should be well pressed to form firm round sweet ball. When the laddus are prepared, let them rest for a while on a serving plate and then store in an airtight container. Rava laddus are good to be stored for at least 1 to 2 weeks. Enjoy these slightly crunchy, aromatic and delicious Rava Laddus during Sankranti. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Siri Kitchen Moments. Hugs and love from Siri Kitchen Moments. Thank you.